program है, it's about इसकी जो basic theme is ending strong, so we have a stronger beginning. And you can do this in any time of the year. This is not something just like we do it at the end of the year, and it's like every day is the beginning of a new year. Just think about that. So it's not about something that we do once or at the beginning of the year or at the end of the year. This can be done. This is a process that you can do at any time in your life. Okay, so I welcome each and every one of you, both your conscious and unconscious mind, to this session. We will have 3 sessions. There will be a lot of things that I'll be sharing with you. हमारा आज का जो session है, इसमें we'll be focusing mainly on where you are right now and understanding few things about yourself. It's like before you program a computer, if you know what the computer is and how it works, it will become easier. So आज का जो हमारा session है, this is about giving you an understanding of yourself, how your mind works, and some of the things that you can do. Of course, I cannot go into a lot of details. And there will be tasks to do after the program. And whether you are watching it, attending it live, or you're doing it and seeing it in recording, you must do your part. Okay, you must do your part. So let me first tell you how you can make most out of this program. And this is important. Understand these things. So how to get the most out of this program? Understand